we run into a lot of scenarios lately where customers are asking about sensors and what to do with the data from those sensors. And that can be everything from badge data when they're tapping in to door sensors that tell you when a door is opening, closing, or occupancy sensors in a conference room. And a lot of this boils down to efficiency. We actually have one customer who's specifically focused on cleaning and maintaining spaces. And so having them have a solid understanding of what they do in that space and how much the space is being used can help them make a big impact on their bottom line, right? Because their goal is to make their customers happy with their cleaning and maintaining of the space, but they want to do that by also reducing their manpower and cost as much as physically possible so they can make as much profit on that as they can. And they use Nuvolo as their ticketing system and their record system, and they have their customers put all of their stuff through there, and then they kind of white label Nuvolo and sell back to their customers. Then what they're able to do with this is do things like have sensor data on doors, so you know how many times the bathroom door opens. And over time, you can start to gather, like after the door's been opened this many times, we start to notice these bathrooms really need to be cleaned. So they can get ahead of that curve and they can clean the bathrooms as much as they need to, so it never gets to a place where the customer's unhappy. So they end up with a happy customer, and it looks like that space is just always perfect and clean. But on the other side of that, it also tells them this bathroom hasn't been used all day. We probably don't need to send somebody to clean it every hour. And the same is true with conference rooms and kitchen spaces and everything else. If you've got an understanding of how much it's being utilized, you can take that data and make efficient cleaning decisions, and also better staff the space to understand that maybe we don't actually need 5 cleaners in this space. This is also helpful to any of the customers, because if they wanted to bring that data back to them and give them some analytics behind the cleaning and which bathrooms and which spaces are being used, they can do that as well. And they can help the customers understand just what sort of utilization they're getting out of their space.